Hi my dear students, welcome to Students Reference Channel. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel and click the bell icon to get notifications for the upcoming videos. And today we are going to discuss about laws of exponents. And these laws are used for the simplification of exponential expressions. Now we are going to discuss about 7 laws with examples given in your book. The first law is multiplying powers with the same base. Consider this example 2 power 4 into 2 power 3 and both base are same. So in this case we have to simply add the powers to get the answer. Okay. 2 power 4 into 2 power 3, that is equal to 2 power 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3 is 7. So the answer is 2 power 7. This is applicable for same base only. Example 2, minus 3 power 2 into minus 3 power 3. And in this example also the bases are same, minus 3 minus 3. Okay, so how to write the answer? First we write the base minus 3, then we have to add the powers 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 is 5, so minus 3 power 5 is the answer. And this law is expressed as a power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. And here a is a non-zero integer. That means it includes positive and negative numbers except 0. And m and n are whole numbers. Okay, only positive numbers with 0. Second law is dividing powers with the same base. Example 2 power 5 divided 2 power 3. 2 power 5 divided 2 power 3. In that case, we have to subtract the powers. Subtract the lower power from the higher power. So 2 power 5 divided by 2 power 3 is written as 2 power 5 minus 3. That is equal to 2 power 2. And second example, minus 5 power 4 divided minus 5 power 3. So minus 5 power 4 minus 3 equal to minus 5 power 1. So it is expressed as a power m divided a power n equal to a power m minus n, and a is a non-zero integer and m and n are whole numbers, and in this case m should be greater than n. And third law is taking power of a power. Example 2 power 3 power 2. That means we have to multiply 2 power 3 2 times. 2 power 3 into 2 power 3. So in that case this is equal to 2 power, and we have to multiply these two powers. 3 into 2, that is equal to 3 2s are 6. So the answer is 2 power 6. The general form of this law is a power m power n equal to a power m into n. And here a is a non-zero integer and m and n are whole numbers. Fourth law, multiplying powers with the same exponent. We already discussed multiplying powers with same base. Okay, and example 2 power 3 into 3 power 3. Here bases are different but powers are same, and in this case 2 power 3 into 3 power 3, we have to multiply the base only. 2 into 3 with same power. Okay, so 2 into 3 power 3. 2 into 3 is 6. 6 power 3 is the answer. And the general form is a power m into b power m equal to ab power m. And here a and b are non-zero integers and m is a whole number. And rule 5, dividing powers with the same exponents. Example, 2 power 4 divided 5 power 4. Okay, so we have to divide the bases 2 by 5 with the same power 4. So the answer is 2 by 5 the whole power 4. And the general form is a power m divided b power m equal to a by b whole power m. And here a and b are non-zero integers and m is a whole number. Sixth law, zero exponent. Consider this example, 3 power 5 divided 3 power 5. So we get 1. Okay. So 3 power 5 minus 5 equal to 3 power 0 equal to 1. General form of this law is a power 0 equal to 1, and here a is a non-zero integer. So what is the value of 0 power 0? So the value of 0 power 0 is given as undefined in some books, and in some books it is given as 1. In some books it is given as undefined. And seventh one, negative exponent. 1 divided by 2 power 5, that is equal to 1 is equal to 2 power 0 divided by 2 power 5 equal to 2 power 0 minus 5 equal to 2 power minus 5. So its general form is a power minus m equal to 1 by a power m. So for any non-zero integer a power minus 1 equal to 1 by a. And its general form is a power minus m equal to 1 by a power m. And here a is a non-zero integer and m is a whole number. Example 1, simplify and write the answer in exponential form. And a, 5 power 3 into 5 power 4. Here the bases are same. So we just add the powers only. So 5 power 3 plus 4 is 5 power 7. Using law a power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. And b, minus 2 power 6 into minus 2 power 14. So here also the bases are same, equal to minus 2. So we just add the powers only. 14 plus 6 is 20. So minus 2 power 20. And C, 8 power 50 divided 8 power 30. And here the bases are same, but the operation is division. So we have to subtract the powers. So 8 power 50 minus 30 equal to 20. The answer is 8 power 20. Problem D, minus 9 power 48 divided minus 9 power 14. And here also the bases are same, equal to minus 9. The operation is division, so we have to subtract the powers. So 48 minus 14 is equal to 34. So minus 9 power 34 is the answer. Example 2, simplify and write the answer in exponential form. And a, 2 power 5 power 3. So this is example for taking power of a power. So in that case we have to multiply the power. 5 into 3 is 15. So 2 power 15. And b, minus 5 power 4 power 2. So 4 into 2 is 8. Minus 5 power 8. 7 power 4 power 14. So 4 into 14 is 56. The answer is 7 power 56. Minus 11 power 4 power 15. So 4 into 15 is 60. So minus 11 power 60 is the answer. And example 3, simplify and write the answer in exponential form. And a, 3 power 3 into 5 power 3. And here the bases are different and powers are same. In this case, we have to multiply the bases and then put the same power as it is. So 3 into 5 is 15. 15 power 3. And problem B, 8 power 6 into 9 power 6. So 8 nines are 72. So 72 power 6. So the answer is 72 power 6. And problem C, 4 power 32 divided 2 power 32. Here the powers are same, bases are different, but division operation. So we have to divide with same power. 4 divided 2 is 2. So 2 power 32 is the answer. D, 6 power 8 divided 11 power 8. And here also the bases are different. Powers are same and the operation is division. So we have to divide the bases. 6 divided 11 whole power 8. Example 4. Simplify and write the answer in exponential form. A. 2 power 3 into 2 power 5 into 2 power 4. Here the bases are same but the powers are different and the operations are multiplication. So we have to write the base as it is 2. Then we have to add all the powers. 3 plus 5 plus 4, that is equal to 12. So 2 power 12 is the answer. And problem B, 8 power 3 into 8 power 4 divided 8 power 5. And here also the bases are same but it has two different operations, multiplication and division. So in multiplication operation we have to add the power. So 8 power 3 plus 4 is 8 power 7. Then we do the division operation. 8 power 7 divided 8 power 5. So in this case we have to subtract the power. So 8 power 7 minus 5 is 8 power 2. Example 5. Simplify and write the answer in exponential form. A. 7 power 3 power 4 into 7 power 5 divided 7 power 2. So first we have to do the operation within the bracket. And first we do this operation. 7 power 3 power 4. So 3 into 4 is 12. So 7 power 12. Then 7 power 12 into 7 power 5. So we have to add these two powers. 12 plus 5 is 17. So 7 power 17 divided 7 power 2. So 7 power 17 minus 2 equal to 7 power 15 is the answer. And B, 8 power 4 divided 2 power 5 into 2 power 4. And first we have to do the operation given in the brackets. So 2 power 5 into 2 power 4 means 2 power 5 plus 4, that is equal to 2 power 9. So 8 power 4 divided 2 power 9, and now we have to write this 8 in base of 2. So 8 is nothing but 2 power 3. 8 power 4 equal to 8 is, first we write 8. 8 is equal to 2 power 3. So 8 power 4 equal to 2 power 3 power 4. That is equal to 2 power 3 into 4 is 12. So 8 power 4 is equal to 2 power 12. So 8 power 4 is equal to 2 power 12. 2 power 12 divided 2 power 9. So now we have to subtract the powers because it's a division operation. 12 minus 9 is 3. So 2 power 3 is the answer. So my dear students, I will stop with this problem. We will continue the remaining example and exercise problems in the next video. If you like this video, please like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.